Don't lose weight because somebody is torturing you.
पेरेंट्स भी बहुत परेशान रहते हैं, बच्चे ओवरवेट हैं.
Stop judging yourself because see, you are unique. Deva yattam kule janmam, mada yattam tu paurusham. I would be in a male dominating society and I would be rocking. That phase teaches you a lot. Loneliness is the biggest killer.
बहुत सारे बच्चे ओवरवेट हैं. जनरली आजकल देखोगे तो आप बहुत सारे और उसमें पेरेंट्स भी बहुत परेशान रहते हैं, बच्चे ओवरवेट हैं. पीपल ऑल्सो नो, द स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो नो, किड्स ऑल्सो नो. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि दे आर नॉट एबल टू हैव अ डिसिप्लिन ऑफ नॉट ईटिंग और राइट ईटिंग और टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर बॉडी. वहाँ पे जैसे आप मस्ट बी दैट एज जब ओवरवेट एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट देखा था सोसाइटी में, कैसे आपको कैसे देख रहे हैं, तो उन बच्चों के लिए आप क्या बोलोगे कि हाउ शुड दे लुक आफ्टर देयर बॉडी एंड व्हाट शुड दे डू टू लूज वेट एंड बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट?
Number one, reduce weight for your own self, for your own health, for your mental peace. Reduce weight for that, for your longevity of life. Don't lose weight because somebody is torturing you. Because अगर आप validation के लिए तड़पोगे तो सोसाइटी आपको कभी शांति से जीने ही नहीं देगी. बिकॉज इफ यू आर ओवरवेट पीपल विल से यू आर फैट. इफ यू हैव रिड्यूस वेट सम पीपल विल कम अप टू एंड से दैट पहले ही अच्छे लग रहे थे, अब उतना चार्म नहीं है फेस पे, नाउ यू लुक लाइक यू आर बीमार. तो अगर कोई लंबा है तो कितना लंबा है, शॉर्ट है तो कितना शॉर्ट है, स्किन टोन पे कमेंट करेंगे. तो यू कांट रियली सेटिस्फाई ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन. और वो you have to develop a thick skin because you can't please everybody and looking for validation is the stupidest thing one can look for. So जब हम देखते हैं ना कि मुझे 100 लाइक मिले, 10 लाइक मिले, 5 लाइक मिले, good, but don't look for that validation all the time. You should validate yourself कि what are my duties, have I done what I was supposed to do? That's the biggest validation. Because लोगों का feedback लेते बैठोगे तो दुख, वो it's a short way to depression.
मतलब आप you do not judge yourself.
So stop judging yourself because see you are unique. और आप जैसे जहाँ पे भी हो उसमें अगर आप you are putting your max, then you will create wonders. Whatever family you see, there is a saying that Deva yattam kule janmam, mada yattam tu paurusham. Meaning कि आप कहाँ जन्म लेते हो, आप फीमेल होते हो, मेल होते हो, कुछ आपके हाथ में नहीं है. Only your purusharth, your productivity, your karma, your hard work, your efforts, that's something which you can control. So do what you can control rather than blaming your parents. काश मेरे parents अंबानी होते तो आज मुझे इतना effort नहीं करना पड़ता. So stop looking at कि मैं लड़का होता तो you know I would be in a male dominating society and I would be rocking. But लड़का होके भी तुम क्या ही कर लेते अगर talent नहीं होता.
नहीं, आजकल तो कोई लड़की होते कम से कम कुछ और नहीं करना पड़ता. I would have been a homemaker. नहीं, it's good.
I'll ask you one question कि जो जर्नी रही है, in between you become a little fat and then you lost weight and then you again this cycle had come. तो उसके अंदर there are mental challenges also, mental health challenges.
Very much. See, I lost weight and then I lost my mom some years back, right? So that was all accumulation and I think one volcano just blasted and I went through since past 2 years I'm fighting a lot of panic attacks and almost for 6 months I was bedridden. So and I couldn't eat at all. And when I force fed myself, I would eat an ice cream just to save myself. कि कुछ जा नहीं रहा, you know, when you even to eat one roti I would ask my driver to take me around and eat one roti to finish one roti. So this what I've suffered and you know that feeling, तब आपको कुछ fitness कुछ नहीं,
उठने का भी मन नहीं करेगा, बेड से उठने का भी मन नहीं
करेगा. I mean I had such a tough time and I'm still coming out of it slowly gradually. So I gained a lot of weight again.
Okay.
But now I feel that thank God in a way this was a blessing in disguise because now I can see each and every aspect of why people gain weight, what actually happens because life happens. आप कोई प्लान करके you know when everybody looks at me thinking कि she has to be perfect, तो उस टाइम पे जब आपका वही एरिया हिल जाता है then you know it just makes you look at the world in a very different way, that you accept yourself, you love yourself and like you want to come out of it and prove yourself again कि भाई मैं हूँ, I can do that. But that phase teaches you a lot. So this can happen to anybody. So I really want to tell people through your medium that things like panic attacks are very normal these days. But normal doesn't mean that you don't work on improving your mental health. So accept it. But don't let the thing happen to you. So जब small signs होती है ना तब maybe maybe I didn't read my signs.
Hmm.
So don't be like me. Read your small signs. ऐसे नहीं होता कि आपको suddenly ये सब होने लगता है. छोटे छोटे signs
No,
होते हैं.
but that was a trigger, na? Mother loss is a trigger.
नहीं,
Big,
उसके
big
बाद
loss.
भी slowly gradually it piles up.
Yeah.
But then you feel कि सब तो ठीक चल रहा है until ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. So have people in your life who you can talk with.
Correct.
Because loneliness is the biggest
Biggest.
killer. तो वो जब आप एक फील्ड में आगे बढ़ जाते हो ना, तो you feel कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं बोलना. Like I would keep things in my heart, फिर heart ने blast कर दिया. So वो मत करो.
Yeah.
You talk it
Talk to
out,
people.
and that will really help you.